Do you know? If an animal eats the wrong food, it can get sick. For example, crabs shouldn't eat apples. This time we will move a crab to the apple. But since this apple is a kind one, it doesn't want the crab to have stomachache. So the apple will run every time the crab touches the apple. The result is like this. In this application, we will learn to move sprites if we press the arrow keys on the keyboard. We will also learn about light blue blocks, sensing. Create a new project on Scratch and name it the kind apple. Remove the cat sprite. Add a crab sprite and an apple sprite. You can also add any backdrop you want. This time, we will use a beach background. First, we will write code to move the crab. Add these coding blocks in the crab. Mind the blocks order. Once the green flag is clicked, we have a forever loop block. Then inside the forever loop block, there is an if block. In the if block, you can add conditions. The condition is, if you press the right arrow key on the keyboard. If the condition is correct, which means you press the right arrow button, then the crab will face to the right, then walk as many as 5 steps. Using the forever loop block, if you press the right arrow key without releasing it, the crab will also keep moving to the right. Try it first. If your crab has moved to the right, copy the if block and place it under the first if block. Notice that both if blocks are inside the forever loop block. But, replace the condition in the second if, with the left arrow. And change it so that the crab faces to the left. This way, your crab can move left and right. The crab can move to the left, but its head is upside down. If so, first change the position of the crab facing up, then add this block after the green flag is clicked, before the loop forever block. Then, create the third and fourth if blocks. The third if block is so that the crab moves up. The fourth if block is so that the crab moves down. The method is the same as the previous two if blocks. Copy one of existing if block, then change the condition and direction of the crab in each new if block. Like this. Try moving your crab to all directions. Now, we will code the apple sprite. The apple is kind, so if the crab touches the apple will run away. Add these coding blocks in apple. The block after the green flag is clicked is the forever loop block. Inside, we have an if block. The condition: if the apple and crab touch, the apple will make a sound, then the apple will run to random position. Well, give it a try. The crab won't have a stomachache because it can't eat the kind apple.